United States is in a very desperate situation because one side, United States plannings which they have made for Russia is definitely not working. And other side, China is trying hard to replace US dollar with Chinese yuan. There are many countries, and there is no need to tell the name, that they started using Chinese yuan as a currency for trade. Slowly and steadily, many countries in the world are replacing US dollars. And United States government is not being able to handle this. I might not be surprised if USD would crash.